Cathie Wood has just come out and said that she and the rest of ARK Invest believe that the Bitcoin bottom is in and that the token will not drop any lower before the next massive bull run. Make sure you watch the entire video to hear her explanation for why she believes that the Bitcoin bottom is in. This video is packed with huge info, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around cryptocurrency, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment #Shiba Inu. Good luck. In today's video, I am going to be telling you why Cathie Wood believes that the Bitcoin and crypto market bottom is in. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Bitcoin is doing on the 30th of June, shall we? Bitcoin's price today is $19,104, and Bitcoin's price is down 5% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $20.4 billion. The Bitcoin market dominance is currently at 40.8%. Now, before we get to the Cathie Wood news, let's get into the first news story of today's video. Crypto winter is coming after SEC rejects key Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale Investments' application to convert its $13.5 billion Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into a spot-based Bitcoin ETF was denied by the SEC on Wednesday despite the company's extensive efforts to win approval. The SEC stated in its filing that the application failed to answer the SEC questions about preventing market manipulation as well as other concerns. The decision joins the SEC rejection on Wednesday of Bitwise's application for approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Like Bitwise, Grayscale initially filed its application last October, but the decision was delayed multiple times as the SEC requested additional information and comment from the public. The final deadline for the SEC to render a decision on Grayscale's application was July 6. Proponents of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval have argued that the product would offer a low-cost and easily accessible way for individuals and institutions to invest in Bitcoin. And optimism about an approval began to grow following the approval of several Bitcoin futures-based ETF last fall, and then that of 2 more futures ETF approvals earlier this year based on the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, the same act that spot Bitcoin ETF have been filed under. For its part, Grayscale has argued forcefully that it is inconsistent to approve an ETF based on Bitcoin futures, but not allow one based on the underlying investment. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Now, time for Cathie Wood's statement on why she believes Bitcoin can now only go up. ARK Invest CIO, and founder Cathie Wood has become a leading voice on Wall Street thanks to the successes of her firm's tech-focused exchange-traded funds. The largest of those, the ARK Innovation ETF, rose by nearly 500% between March 2020 and February 2021. Since then, Wood has continued to look for diamonds in the rough. One area she has focused on is cryptocurrency, specifically the most valuable asset by market cap in the arena Bitcoin. Due to the high correlations that other cryptocurrencies have with Bitcoin, ARK Invest has been analyzing the trends in the token in an effort to gauge where the overall crypto economy is headed. And on a recent episode of her YouTube video series, In the Know with Cathie Wood, she discussed some details about her views on the cryptocurrency market in general and the path she expects Bitcoin will follow. In addition, Wood expressed that despite hitting an all-high in correlation with the Nasdaq in early May, Bitcoin has recently started to trade separately from the tech sector. Now the good part. According to Wood, ARK Invest's cryptocurrency analysts have found that one of the simplest metrics, the 200-week moving average, has proven to be one of the most consistent levels of support for Bitcoin. Its recent decline has now put it under the 200-week moving average. This is only the 3rd time in history that Bitcoin has fallen beneath this support. Moreover, Wood provided statistics that show short-term holders, those who owned Bitcoin for less than a year have almost completely capitulated. Long-term holders, those who have held Bitcoin for more than a year, comprise almost 2/3 of the entire Bitcoin investor class, and they are largely still holding on. When short-term holders sell at this level, it often signals a bottom for Bitcoin's price. ARK Invest focuses on a statistic known as market value to realized value, for short, MVRV, to quantify when crypto holders are selling their positions at a loss. MVRV values below 1 signal that holders are selling without making a profit. The MVRV of short-term holders has been below 1 for almost all of 2022. It isn't uncommon for Bitcoin's MVRV to slip below 1 for many months. It was under 1 for almost all of 2018. Yet when this mark was reached, it has in the past been a sign that the market had nearly hit its floor. Bitcoin's MVRV has fallen below 1 during 4 periods in its history. After it dropped below 1 in 2011, the price of Bitcoin went from around $3 to almost $115. In 2015, it fell below 1 again. That was followed by a price run-up from a few $100s to a peak of just under $20,000 in 2017. The MVRV was under 1 again in early 2019, after which it rose by nearly 300% in 6 months. And most recently, after its MVRV dropped below 1 in March 2020, Bitcoin went on a tear, surging from roughly $5,000 to a high of around $57,000 before falling again. Timing actually isn't everything. Nobody can time any asset market perfectly, but Wood and her team believe the bottom is in for crypto. That isn't to say that it won't trade sideways for a while, but they believe there is little room for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to fall more current levels. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell their crypto for the next 5 years and hold lots of cryptocurrencies because they believe the token developers and real-world value of crypto. What tokens are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your crypto holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the crypto holder for trusting and believing in the process. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the current crypto market. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. Before ending this, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Check out the video on screen now to find out more of the recent Shiba Inu news. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.